We need never be hopeless because we can never be irreparably broken. We think that we are invincible because we are. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anushka and this video is specially for all you teenagers out there. If you feel like no one understands you, if you feel like there's no one for you to look up to, you're confused about your career, about your relationships, you feel the most vulnerable at certain moments in your life and you're stuck there, you can't share those feelings with your friends or your family because you feel scared that they might laugh at you. They might think your problems are just very small problems, they are negligible. Then I have a solution for you. I have few people who will never laugh at you, who will share their small stories, who will share their small feelings with you, and their stories will not only make you feel less vulnerable, these stories will make you feel fortunate for the life you have been given. They'll make you feel grateful. They'll make you happy and they'll impact you in the most precious way. These people are these books. So the first book I'm going to start with might be considered a classic for teenagers and young adults, and that is The Perks of Being a Wallflower. Now this book is about this guy named Charlie who is in high school and is a big time introvert. So if you're an introvert, pick this book right now. You might just be able to analyze your own feelings and thoughts because the way Charlie expresses his feelings in such a detailed manner in all those letters is just so beautiful. He talks about so many issues, so many thoughts about high school, about friends, about his own family. He talks about peer pressure in school, how it's okay to be different, how it's difficult for an introvert to mingle with people, how it's difficult for him or her to participate in the activities which are normal to other people. So yeah, if you're someone who feels like he or she can relate with Charlie, pick this book right now. The next book is one of my recent reads and which inspired me to make this video, and that is Radio Silence by Alice Oseman. If you want my detailed thoughts and review of this book, click on the I button. I have a separate video for this book. But in short, this book is for you if you are stuck in your career, if you think that there's only one career for you and you don't know where your life is heading, and your passion is something or you like doing something else, but the society wants you to do a certain thing in your life, and you know it talks about so many things about having good friends in your life. Now, in a teenage recommendations video, how can I not include a John Green book? Of course, there are other popular titles like Fault in Our Stars and Paper Towns, but Looking for Alaska is something which I felt is much more apt for this video. This book is about this guy named Miles and this girl named Alaska. They become friends in their hostel, like in their school, in their boarding school. It's a beautiful story, and this book will make you much stronger. This book will give you hope. And that's what I liked about this book, and that's why I want to recommend it. I also want to read few lines from this book, just here for a while. When adults say teenagers think they are invincible, with that sly, stupid smile on their faces, they don't know how right they are. We need never be hopeless because we can never be irreparably broken. We think that we are invincible because we are. We cannot be born and we cannot die. They forget that when they get old, they get scared of losing and failing. But that part of us, greater than the sum of our parts, cannot begin and cannot end. So it cannot fail. Remember that line. That's why I want to recommend this book to you. The next book I have is something which I adore, and that is The Little Prince. Now this book is something when people say to you, you are not a kid anymore. Just grow up, beta, just grow up. For that, I want to tell you, just read this book and never grow old. This book will make sure that you have that innocence still in you. It's never too late. The world will make you grow older, but it's not important for you to grow. It's about this fictitious world where there's this little prince who isn't actually an alien, who's landed on Earth, and then he meets this pilot and they share a few stories. So Little Prince shares a story about his planet. It's such an interesting read and such a heartwarming book. The next book I have is one of my favorite reads. I've recommended this book so much, but this is again apt for this video, and that is All the Bright Places by Jennifer Niven. And oh my god, what should I tell you about this book more? This is such a great book, especially for teenagers. This book will make you emotional. It make you feel attached to the characters in another level. Like people say Fault in Our Stars is the best book for teenagers. I would say this is much more than that. The story is written so beautifully. This book talks about not only about mental health, about suicide, about friendship, about dealing with mental health, about mental trauma, losing people, and whatnot. Just go and pick this book up. I highly recommend it in all of my videos, almost. The next book I have is by an Indian author, and that is Life is What You Make It by Preeti Shenoy. Now, if you want an inspirational book, a motivational book in a more realistic way, though yes, of course it starts in the most cliched romantic novel like all Indian novels are, but then the book takes a different turn, and the way it will motivate you will be totally different. You will feel so inspired after reading this book. This is such a positive read. Just go for it. The Hunger Games. Now this is gonna be such a page-turning novel series for you. This book will make you stronger. It'll make you feel like your life is not that difficult. There are people who have bigger problems in their life. It's a dystopian novel, which means that it is based in future. It's not real or fictional novel. It's a fantasy dystopian novel, but you'll fall in love with the characters, and it's such a gripping story plotline. Yeah, so go for Hunger Games. I highly recommend it, especially teenagers or young adults or even beginners. This is a very good read. The next book I have for you is The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini. Now this is such a heartwarming, such a heart wrenching book. The characters, oh my god, you will fall in love with all the characters. The friendship in this book is something that I adore. The book is kind of an historical fiction because it starts from one place and ends into other. You will learn so many things about human behavior, about how people can go to different places, yet they might still feel redemption, and they come back to it, whatnot. This is such a good read, easy to read again, but I recommend it to teenagers because of the friendship, because of the way people care about each other in this book. The next book I have for you is not a very popular book. It's The Pretty Little Things by Gillian Hoffman. But this is a book I want to recommend to teenagers, especially because it talks about social privacy in this time and age. We all know about social privacy, but do we know about its consequences? Yes, we know about its consequences. But after reading this book, you will become a little more serious about your social privacy. That's what I can assure you. Yes, it's a little dark novel. Though your parents say a lot of things to you, your relatives might say a lot of things to you, but when a book says a thing to you, you definitely get an impact, a different kind of impact. So yeah, it's about social privacy, social world, and all of that thing. The next and the last book I want to recommend is something for you to feel inspired, for you to feel like you can do anything you want, and that is Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. I will recommend any biography of any successful entrepreneur or anyone out there. You can pick any memoir or any biography, but because I have read Shoe Dog, I will highly recommend this book. This book will give you a sense of purpose in your life, that just stop lying on your bed, just give up on that Instagram, just give up on your phone and do something. Because if a person in this book like Phil Knight can do it, if he can start his business from scratch, you can do it as well. it's not a big deal to start a business, to start something of your own. In this time and age when every other kid wants to start her business, it's not just about talking, it's about doing the things you want to do. And that's what this book is about. It's very easy to read, but I will highly recommend it to you, just so that you know you have a sense of purpose in your life. And yeah, that's it. Those were all the books I want to recommend to you for you to read, for you to have purpose in your life, for you to feel inspired, for you to feel happy about your life, for you to feel grateful. And let me know if you want other book recommendations as well. If you want some recommendation like my guilty pleasure books, which I read during my teenage years. Of course, I did not read these books during my teenage years. I read some kind of books. Of course, I can recommend. I can share a video on that too if you want me to. And yeah, that's it. Leave a comment in the comment box below, and do not forget to subscribe because I want subscribers now. Jaldi se subscribe kar do, and don't forget to like this video. With that said, bye bye, and I'll see you later with another video.